PowerShell is a powerful command line tool that goes beyond the capabilities of the traditional command prompt. Here's a quick overview of its advanced features. Scripting and automation. PowerShell allows you to write complex scripts that automate repetitive tasks, making it ideal for system administrators. With its integration into the .NET framework, you can create scripts that interact with various system components seamlessly. Advanced functions. You can develop advanced functions that behave like native CMDLets. This includes features like parameterization, error handling, and dynamic parameters, which enhance flexibility and reusability in scripts. Error handling and debugging. PowerShell provides robust error handling through try-catch blocks, ensuring your scripts can manage unexpected issues gracefully. Integration with other services. PowerShell can interact with cloud services like Azure, enabling you to manage resources across different platforms efficiently. In summary, PowerShell's advanced capabilities make it an essential tool for anyone looking to perform sophisticated command line tasks and automate processes effectively.